Hello boys and girls, this is Bugre here. Welcome to Bugre Tongo's YouTube channel. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing right now because we are doing our best to bring you best videos ever made on YouTube. I'm doing my best. I want to be one of the greatest YouTubers on this particular platform. So this is what I'm going to do. What I want to do is very simple. I want you to help me reach 200 subscribers. I've already gotten up to 190 something, and I want you to help me reach 200 and above. And let's see if this video can get up to 50 or 100 likes. Alright, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to help you guys to know if someone viewed your WhatsApp profile. I'm going to know if someone actually viewed your WhatsApp profile. It's a very simple trick, and if I don't teach you, maybe you wouldn't know, and even if you know, I'm going to give you a bit of insight. Alright, so this is what happened. Once I was going through WhatsApp and I saw one of my friend's contact, I went ahead to look at his profile, and when I look at it within 1 hour 30 minutes, the person contacted me on WhatsApp and telling me that, hey guy, why were you actually looking at my profile on WhatsApp? And I was like, hey guy, how do you know? I was looking up, then the guy told me the trick. So right here I'm going to teach you how to do it, alright, on this video. So this is what you do. First of all, you have to download one application, just one application. So you have to go to the Google Play Store and then search for this application, Google Play Store, and you search for this application called Was Tracker. You search for Was Tracker, then you download this app. Alright, you have to download this app called Was Tracker. It will help you to know who actually viewed your WhatsApp profile. So this is how it is. Was Tracker. So visited and visitor. So these are the people that actually will be visiting your. These are the people that visited your what's the name? Your profile. Alright. So when you actually download the app, you have to open it, and that's actually app, but I wouldn't update it. Let me go ahead and open it right here. I wouldn't update the app. Where is it? What's Tracker? Yep. So when you open, you have to open the app like this, and then so when you open the app like this, it will take you through a lot of things. I just did it right now, so I haven't done anything with it yet, but this is how it looks like when you get it started. When you download the app, they'll tell you to actually go ahead and shit, fucking act. I hate apps. When you get the app, they'll tell you to sign up. So you have to sign up, and then when you sign up, you'll be able to use the app. So this is visited. This should be the place whereby this is where when you visit someone's what's the name? When you visit someone's profile, it will be listed here. And when someone also visits your profile, it will be listed here, alright? So you have to go through what's a user profile, then you go to like this, then you put your gender or username, and then you're good to go. Chat history, that's when you do it, and then you go to tell the chat history down there, and a whole lot of stuff. So you have to be able to get this. So this is how you'll be able to know. This is the number one trick that people use to get their WhatsApp to know, so to get notified when someone views their WhatsApp profile. So if you have any suggestions, if you have any tricks, if you know about certain ways that you can know if someone actually viewed your profile on WhatsApp, just comment it down there and allow others to also learn from it, and I'm sure it's going to be a help for all of us. Alright, so this is Bugre once again here on Bugre Tongo's YouTube channel. So subscribe right now if you are new. As I said earlier on, help me to reach 200 subscribers on this channel. God richly bless you. Bye.